We're going to be looking at how we can group and ungroup objects. In previous versions of SMART, we needed to select the objects, group them, and click on Group. Now, with new Notebook 11, they've added a new gesture feature. So that we group our objects, we can use a gesture with our finger, shake it, and those grouped objects will now ungroup. Similarly, we can now take those selected objects and do exactly the same thing in order to group them. Make sure our objects are selected, use the same gesture, shaking our finger over those objects, and those objects will now be grouped together. So SMART has made grouping objects much simpler. When we're working on our computer, we would still need to use the original way of doing it, selecting our objects and clicking on grouping. But when you're teaching a lesson and you're working with your smartboard, you can do it using the gesture feature, and that would be to use your finger to select all of your objects, shake it with your fingers, and those grouped objects now become one group. When we shake it again, they are ungrouped, and that's the new gesture feature for SMART Notebook.